Hello and welcome back. Today we're unboxing this, the Lamborghini Miura P400 SV 1971. This is from the historic car 1/24 scale by Hasegawa. It's a 21st century tooling. Hasegawa first released this version in 2021, but they tooled the Miura in 2004, so it should be fairly good. Let's open it up and have a look inside. So got the instructions, body molded in red, got some decals and clear parts in there, and all the other parts are in this bag here. I'm going to be painting this using this brand new Kaleido Verde Green, which is based on the sort of lime green colour used on some of these early Miuras. This is from the brand new range from Gaahleri. I'll do a little bit of a preview here. These paints are being released in August, and you'll find them on the Gaahleri website as well as other sites. Remember, you can use my discount building010 to receive discount off your order of those. These are ready thinned, and you can get primers, clear coats, metallic paints, things like that. And I can't wait to see what the Miura looks like in this shade. Let's start with the instructions. Lamborghini Miura was first shown to the general public at the Geneva Auto Show in March 1966. Named in honour of Spain's bravest lines of fighting bulls, the Miura was only 1,080mm high, featuring racing car-style front and rear cowls and pop-up style headlights with the eyebrow-like decoration that became the car's trademark. Though I probably refer to it as eyelashes. There were numerous difficulties during the Miura's development. Especially problematic was the unreliable midship sideways arrangement of the engine, which placed unacceptably high loading on the rear wheels. The chassis also suffered from a lack of rigidity, with the resulting negative impact on handling. The interior of the car was plagued with high noise and vibration levels, and the gearbox did not function as intended. However, the car garnered nothing but raves upon its public debut. The P400 SV was built in May 1971 to the specs of a customer who wanted a car employing all of the high-tech of the Miura J. The Lamborghini Miura, with its low profile and sleek styling, remains a favourite among car enthusiasts to this day. So we've got some information there. If we open it up, we've got all the pieces in the set on this side and recommended colours. It's got the interior here. Lots of detail there. So we've got an engine in this kit. Detailed rear suspension. Front suspension and some external parts. It's nice when things like these vents and stuff are separate parts, because obviously that makes it easier to paint. Interior, exterior, and then recommended colours, and just some tips and things. So look inside this bag. Start with the largest sprue. So moulded in black, you've got things like the disc brakes, we've got door cards, steering wheel, steering column. Let's go on top of the engine, pedals, more suspension parts, center console, I think that is. Something for the rear window. Engine cover part there. Doesn't seem to be any flash. Looks pretty good. Another black sprue. Here we've got the floor of the car. Got some coils. There's a little Hasegawa logo. Engine parts. Wheel arches. There's the rear louvers. Nice that they're open. More coils. Yeah, there we are. Third black sprue, but this is actually C and D. So we've got seats, we've got a vent for the front, like exhaust parts, not sure what these are. Very fine detail in some of these, that's nice. Yep, can't tell you exactly what some of these are. Got the interior there, and then part of the dashboard in two sections. There we are. So we've got the chrome sprue here. Now I don't think these wheels need to be quite as chrome as this, and I think these little vents which go behind the side windows I think sometimes are black. Similarly, I think this is sometimes black, so some of these might need to be stripped. Got headlight housings, windscreen wipers. I think these are the knockoffs for the wheels. Got exhausts there. Intakes for the engine. We've got mirrors. I think these are for the tail lights. So yeah, some of these may not need to be chrome. Bodywork here. Now I always think this is, you know, it's helpful for some people, but I would much prefer it if the bodywork was done in white or grey, because red plastic is not the easiest thing to paint over. So yeah, bodywork all in red here. We've got some supports there that needs to be removed. Mould seams around places like this, but some of them have been factored into sort of grooves on the bodywork anyway. You've got mould seams along here, those will need to be removed, and along here. But pretty good. Distinctive car anyway. So clear sprues in here. Windscreen and side windows are all one part. Then you've got headlights, the window for the rear. Got very small indicators here, so yeah, I want to put that back. Don't want that to get damaged. And then we've got two sheets in here. We've got decal sheet, and this is nice because painting around those headlights is not going to be easy. We've got a few different decals for things like wheel caps, and then of course you've also got Lamborghini logos in either gold or black, depending on what colour you're going to do it. And yeah, pretty detailed there. As well as that though, we've also got a little chrome decal sheet. So we've got those little Bertoni logos, Lamborghini logos, and that, which is quite nice, to go around the gear stick, which is a nice little feature. I'll put those in there to keep them safe. Almost forgot these. As you can see, we've got polycaps and we've got some tyres. They are slightly different. Front ones are a bit narrower. Nice tread, but no sidewall markings. You'll want to use one side. You can see there's a bit of a mould seam on this side. The other side looks much better. So yeah. Alright, these seem okay, pretty firm actually. So there we have it. Looking forward to building this and seeing how it looks in that lime green. Let me know, have you built one of these before? How did you get on? Was there any issues that you noted? Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.